Welcome to the Hairy Vegetarian. Today I'm making mashed Indian spiced eggplant in the Instant Pot. I love my Instant Pot. I've got it on saute. It's hot. I'm going to put in a little bit of oil. Whole cumin seeds, about a half a teaspoon. Make sure they get in the oil for about 30 seconds. So the cumin seeds have been in the oil for about 30 seconds. I'm going to add one chopped up jalapeno, 4 or 5 cloves of minced garlic, one rather small to medium-sized chopped onion, and 1 inch of garlic, 1 inch of ginger that has been peeled and minced. A pinch of salt. Stir that up for about 3 minutes. I've been sauteing on the saute setting in my Instant Pot for about 3 minutes. I'm going to add a chopped tomato. Well, I'm using diced canned tomatoes, 1 small can. And a spice mixture of, I ground it myself, garam masala, coriander seeds, turmeric, and smoked paprika. You can adjust the amounts of those to your taste. About that much total into the tomatoes. Stir it a bit for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, 1 eggplant that has been peeled and diced into 1/2 inch cubes. Another pinch of salt. Stir it a bit. Get the tomato, all the spices coating the eggplant, all nice and mixed up. Onion, hot pepper, a 1/2 cup of water. Cancel the saute. Oops. And the lid. Locked in. This little thing turned to make sure that it's cooking. Pressure cook. High pressure. 10 minutes. Lid locked. And then we wait. So I've turned off the pressure cooker. I have let the pressure go down naturally. Took several minutes. You can have a setting on here that keeps it warm while it's doing that if you want. Once the pressure has all let out, I turn this knob to release. There's no steam coming out. Open it up so that it opens away from you because it's hot. I'm going to mash up the eggplant. It's very soft. It doesn't need a lot of mashing. You could leave it like this and eat it like baba ganoush. I'm going to add a can of chickpeas and make a complete dish out of it. Stir it up. The heat in the eggplant mixture will heat up the chickpeas. You could relock the lid and heat it up for a while if you want the chickpeas to be softer and hotter. There's one. There's the other. mashed Indian spiced eggplant, this time with chickpeas.
That's good. Good spices.
Mm-hmm.